I think freshwaters are very often overlooked in conservation and in people studying ecology and biology, which is strange because they are just proportionately biodiverse. So they're really rare environments, but despite that they have over 50% of all described fish species, which I think is quite astonishing when you think, well, the sea covers 70% of the planet. Surely most of the fish diversity is there, but only about half of it is there and the other half occurs in freshwaters. Yeah, so I've got two main hypotheses that I'm trying to test while I'm here. The first one is that there's a theory that warming will favour the small. So lots of organisms from fish to birds, it's been shown that they have a smaller body size in the warmer environments. So I'm trying to see whether plankton in freshwater lakes do the same thing. The second hypothesis is looking at how birds, particularly penguins, transfer marine-derived nutrients from the sea to the freshwater system through poo. So penguin-mediated organic matter is probably the polite way of saying it, but we basically see whether their poo is driving the food webs in the lakes. In terms of research on lakes in Antarctica, there's still a lot that we don't know. Most of the systems that I've looked at over this trip, because we've been to places that people have never sampled at all, so there's lots of simple questions about natural history of who's there and how long they've been there, how they got there, how they're related to other similar planktonic organisms in the southern hemisphere. Yeah, I mean, it's amazing when you look in just this tiny drop of water we've got here. There's hundreds of organisms and they all have their own role, they're all doing their own thing. It's a little miniature world in a drop of pond water.